Certainly the right numbers, certainly definitely the right sound. There it is there. Oh, I bought my batteries. Damn. Right, I'm not too sure how long I'm going to be out for now, because I've just realised I've forgot my batteries for the camera. I'm on Bridlington Beach. It's not on the map as a Crown estate. However, I must confirm that I have contacted the council this morning, and they have said that it is no problem whatsoever for me to detect on here as long as I comply to filling in the holes, etc, etc. So yes, although it's not on the Crown Estate map, it is a beach that I'm allowed to detect on, and that's from the council. I will keep this as short as possible because I want to save the battery life. If not, it'll be on my phone each time, which I'm not happy with doing. I will be out with the Deus 2 as normal, and the usual program, which is a magnet program slightly altered to my taste. In the background here is a little bit of dry sand, which then goes into the damp sand, and then obviously out, because it ties out to the wet sand. I will do a little bit here. I was here yesterday for Race the Waves, and there was hundreds of people around here sat on the beach, and I mean hundreds, literally hundreds of people. So fingers crossed I will find something. Thanks a lot all my new subscribers, and obviously my loyal subscribers, and see you at the end. If it's not via the video, as in through this camera, then it'll be via my phone. Thank you very much. Bye. Right, I can see one. I've got 86, 87 there, 86, 87 there. I'm going to go for £2 coins. Oh, I missed it. Maybe it's not then. Yep. There's the first, and I can see the other one just sitting there. So £2 up straight away, and that's the first targets. First two targets. Chuffed a bit. I think I got another one. I just got £2 coins from there, and I believe I've just got another one. Yep, another £1 coin. Can't believe it. 3 targets, £3. I'll just I think I'll just do a circle around here, spiral out. See whether there's any others. I don't think there should be. Well, there might be. 68. Is that 20p, 50p, 10p maybe? Certainly another coin. Yep, 50 pence. Well, whoever that was sat here, thank you very much. Much appreciated, even if that's all I get today. This is going to be a very short video if it is. I've got 65, 66, so that'll be a 10p then. Oh, I might have missed it. May have missed it. Okay, a lot deeper than I thought. Yeah, there it is there, 10 pence piece. I think someone just jumped off this, I'll just point you up. I think someone's just jumped off that and they've lost their money. One, two, three, four, 5 holes, 5 coins. Shall I just do it as a 10-hole challenge? No, because I probably won't find anything else. So I'll snap their glasses. Panama Jack, does that say? I don't know. Haven't got a clue. Can't see from here. I think it says Panama Panama Jack. There you go. Glasses arm, so to speak. Right, it's out. Just a bit of can. There you go. Of course, it's going to be the old style ring pull. I forgot about them. Coming up as a 70-71 as well. There you go. Beach detecting for you. You're bound to find a ring pull. Boom, boom. '87, '88. Got another pound. Another pound. Might be something else there as well. Let's have a look. Well, there's a 45, 46. Possibly a bit of trash. Just a bit of trash. Yeah, a bit of tin foil. There you go. Got an 87. This is in front of the don't know what you call them actually. Oh, another coin, look at that. Yes. In front of the beach sheds. Another pound. Can't complain. Alright, I didn't film it because it was grunting. I thought it was going to be a bit of trash, but some coins do grunt. There's the 10 pence. So if I just put that back down there, listen to this. You know, that's the problem with the Deus 2. Well, I say the problem with the Deus 2, it's probably not actually, it's probably with these coins because they've got that iron core, so therefore it's discriminated straight away. Yeah, I do have bottle caps on 4, just purely so I can, you know, basically get away with no bottle caps at all, but that's the effect it gives on iron cored coins as well. So although I've got a 10 pence piece, which I'm really happy about, it's the tone in my ear. You can just see it rusting off there. It's the tone in my ear, so I was going to dig it anyway because I'm aware that certain coins like 1p's, 2p's will come up around about 0 or 0.1. But I don't think I've ever had a 10 pence piece come up as a 0. So there you go. I mean, it's a 2015, but it's telling me it's junk. So that's why I dig them. 10 pence piece. So another coin to add to the collection. I don't have to dig down because it's there. It's just a 90, 91. It's a 2 pence. And that is all it is. Just a 2 pence. There you go. I've got 71, 72. I think it's going to be a ring pull or a 20 pence piece. Ah, it's 20 pence piece. That's the better end of it. So it's not a round ring pull, it's a 20 pence piece instead. 71. Is it going to be a ring pull or potentially a 20p piece? 20p piece would be nice. That's a lot deeper, so potentially it might be a coin. It could be a can though as well. There's bits of can that have been coming up as that as well. Is that it? Yep, 20p piece. Oh, there you go. 120p. Very loud now. So it's a 74, 75 now. So probably a bit of can. No, yeah, it is. Just a bit of can. Never mind. I didn't put it on because the numbers were a little bit lower than that. It evened itself out at a 74 in the end, 74, 75. So not to worry, bit of can. I've got an 87. Got a pound, I would have thought. Certainly the right numbers, certainly definitely the right sound. There it is there. £1. I'll see if there is any others around here, but I was only getting the one tone, so, and there was a couple of people just sitting here earlier. So I'll say thank you to them. Oh, we've got an 86 solid, possibly a £1 coin. You watch it be something else. just to annoy me. No, it is a coin. It's not a £1 coin. Oh no, what's that? What is that? It's oval. I don't know what that is. It's not a coin. Ah, is it a dog tag? Let me just hold it away. It says.
Was that the machine?
Oh no, it's a dog tag. So I won't show you what it says. And if it's someone local to where we are at the moment, I'll try and get it back to them. If not, I'll just send it to them in the post anyway. Yeah, it looks like a dog tag. There you go. I'll turn it over that way. You won't be able to see anything. Right, take 3. Who'd have thought it's so hard to do a bloody outtake? Right, just to say thank you if you've got this far. I really do appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, please do. If you know, but only if you like my content. I mean, there's quite a lot of people that have been watching and they're not even subscribed. So you know, if you do like my content, please give me a sub up and a thumbs up as well. As for today's content, well, I've got quite a few coins. I can't moan at that. I'm chuffed to bits for that. It's only about £5 or £6, maybe just a little bit more. But yeah, chuffed to bits. And you know, I did anticipate that, because there was an absolute immense amount of people down here yesterday. So yeah, really chuffed to bits. Very limited amount of trash, but I have got some trash, but you know, it wouldn't be beach detecting if you didn't. And yes, I got the notorious ring pulls. I did finish on a dog tag as well, which initially I thought was a coin, but it looks like a dog tag. So I'll try and get that back to the owner. I also have an offer code with relics, so it's on relics MD, and I get 10% for that, or you'll get 10% for that as well. And again, I'll put the link in, but it is Ops 10 again at the end, so it's OPS 10, but I will put the full link in. So if you just click on that link, it'll take you straight to it. Apart from that, I really appreciate your time. Less bad comments have been coming through, which it helps me. So a few of you have kind of like just dropped off. It's as if like it was just the 1 or 2 people and they've disappeared. So yeah, I've had no bad comments for a little while, so I'm happy. But yeah, thank you very much, as I say, as always, for getting this far, and sorry for waffling on so long, but see you on the next. Bye.